Hi everyone, this lesson is an introductory lesson on strings, and I usually do strings after arrays because you should notice some similarities between the two. So I've declared a string and I've initialized it to Mr. MacKinnon, and so you can now access, you could have always accessed a string at a particular index in the string. So this string here has 1, 2, 3, the space is a character or an element, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 characters long. Okay, so the quotations do not count, it's everything in between the quotation marks. So there's 13 spots in this string. So you can access any spot in the string by putting the curly brackets and then the element you want to look at. You cannot assign a value to a part in the string. Okay, in an array you can change the information at each element. In a string you cannot. You can only add to strings, and I'll get to that in a different lesson. But here you can access a range of letters or a substring, so from element 5 and then to 7, so it'll be inclusive. And then here I'm introducing another function called length. Just like upper, length will return the number of characters in the string. So I'm actually going to add that, make sure I counted that right. So when I do this, it's going to tell us how many characters are in the string. It's then going to put the third character, which is 1, 2, this period here, and then it's going to output 5 to 7. So it should be M, A, and C. And then here I'm going to do a for loop, and it's going to run 13 times. The first time through, it's going to do from 1 to 1. So it's going to put plus this. So it's going to, the first time it's going to do an M and then a line. And then it's going to put MR and then a line. And then keep that pattern going until it's put the entire name. So here we go, I'm going to run it. Okay, so 13 characters I can count, and then there it is, spot 3. Put name at spot 3 is this here. And then the substring 5 to 7, so 1, 2, 3, 4, the M, A, and C are 5, 6, and 7. And then through the loop, you can see it ran 13 times, adding a letter each time through the loop. Okay, hopefully this makes sense.